Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see how to solve this problem. So here what you can see, this is a question mark over here. So let us consider that as they will put the variable x, rest all will be the same. So now rest part, let us write the same. 1 by 6 minus 1 integer, that will be 3.5 by 15 is equal to, in place of that question mark in this one, we'll put x. So that is going to be x raised to 1 by 3 divided by 4 plus 1 by 7 raised to 7 divided by 30. So now what are you going to do? First thing, this is the mixed fraction. So we are going to make it to improper one. So now that is going to be, what will be that? 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1.5, that is going to be 11.5 divided by this 5 plus, here it's going to be 12 plus 1, that is going to be 13 by 6 minus, here this is 15. 15 plus 3, that is going to be 18.5 by 15 is equal to x raised to 1 by 3 divided by 4 plus, this is going to be 30. 30 plus 7, that is going to be 37 by 30. So now what you can see, the denominators here, we have 5, 6 and 15. Now let us take this side first, because here this is equal to sign. So we'll consider this as the left hand side. So we'll take the LCM of 5, 6 and 15. So if we take the LCM of 5, 6 and 15, so that is going to be, let us start with 2. 2 3s are 6 and this 5 and 15 as it is. So now we'll take 3. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15 and this 5 as it is, and 5 1s are. So what we can see here, 2 3 and 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 15 2s are 30. So the LCM is 30. So what will you write here? LCM of 5, 6 and 15 is equal to 30. So now what will you do here? 11.5 divided by 5 into 6. Here also will be 6 plus 13 by 6 into 5 minus 18.5 divided by 15 into 2 is equal to, now let us keep the right hand side first as it is. So now what will be that? 11.5, this is going to be how much? This will be, now let us multiply and see, 11.5 into 6. So this is going to be 69.0, because there's a decimal over here. So that is going to be 69. 69 plus here, because all the denominators, that is going to be 30. So we can write directly plus 65. 13 5 is 65 minus 18.5 into 2 means 18 2s out. This will be 37 divided by, the LCM is 30, is equal to x raised to 1 by 3 divided by 4 plus 37 by 30. So now what will you do first? We are going to add this one. So that is going to be 69 plus 65. So that is going to be 134. So 134 minus 37 by 30 is equal to x raised to 1 by 3 plus 37 by 30. So this is going to be 134 and this will be 37. So here this is going to be 97. So 97 by 30 is equal to x raised to 1 by 3 by 4 plus 37 by 30. So now what will you do here? We can also do one thing. We can keep this x part, this part at one side, and this will take it together. So now we can also write this one as 97 by 30 as it is on the left hand side. if we take here along with the sign, this is plus, so this is going to be minus. So that is going to be minus 37 by 30 is equal to x raised to 1 by 3 by 4. So now it is going to be 97 minus 37 by 30. See here, actually here you can see there are the more number of steps. So the more the steps, the less the mistake. So later on you can minimize the steps, but only for your understanding, it's better to increase the steps. So here this is going to be 60 by 30, that is x raised to 1 by 3 by 4. So this will be this and this goes off. This is going to be 2. So 2 is going to be x raised to 1 by 3 by 4. So when you take multiply this one, if you bring this on this side, so that is going to be 8 is going to be x raised to 1 by 3. So just we want x. So this will be 8 cubes. See, this is actually x raised to 1 by 3. So when we bring it on this side, this is going to be just 3. Here, this is going to be x. So now what is that? When you multiply 8 cube means 8 into 8 into 8. 8 is a 64. 64 8 that is going to be 512. So we can write here 512 is equal to x, or we can write hence the number is, they have asked what is the number, is 512. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.